Hello, Mela. Hi, Mela. Can you unmute yourself?
Hello, teacher.
How are you now, Mela? Are you okay?
Yeah,
Are you sleepy?
no.
Oh, no, you're not. Okay, can you tell me first, what did you do in the morning?
Go
What?
to school.
Oh, no. It's summer break, right?
Yeah,
Why
I
did you go
know.
to school? Where did you go to school?
I study in summer.
Oh, okay. So you're having a summer class. In what subject, Mila? What subject? Math?
Math.
Okay, just math. Is it just math?
Yeah. After
Okay.
I go to school in draw, study English. Uh,
Are you tired?
yeah.
Oh no. But I believe you sleep in the afternoon. Did you? Did you sleep in the afternoon or no?
Mm,
Did you sleep in the afternoon, Mela? Did you sleep in
Uh,
the afternoon?
no, no.
Oh, okay. So what did you do in the afternoon then? Play Roblox?
No.
Watch TV?
After finish study you, I will go to school
Oh, really?
until 9 p.m.
9
Yeah,
What
for
time
a
will you go
subject.
to school? Oh, okay. What time will you go to school? Are you going to go there at 3 o'clock?
Yeah.
My God. Okay. So you should have rest earlier, Mila, knowing that you have to go after and you will be home at maybe 10 o'clock. Oh, that's
Yeah.
tiring. Oh my gosh. Okay. So just make yourself comfortable there, Mila. And we will start now. So we will proceed talking about the words right here. What does it mean when we say ugly, Mila? Ugly. I believe you know what ugly.
I don't know it.
Oh, you don't know this? Okay. So ugly, Mila, it's just the same as not good looking. Okay. Wait, why is it all Vietnamese? Okay, so let me translate it. Ugly, it means something doesn't look nice. Okay, it doesn't look good. It's not beautiful. Okay,
Okay.
can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Mila. So that is ugly. Now, what about interesting?
Hmm. Is
Interesting.
um is thing is is not bad.
It's not bad.
It, I can't say English.
Okay, but do you know this word in Vietnamese, Mila?
Yeah.
How about trying to say it in English, Bella? Can you try? When we say interesting, it means something is good and that it catches your attention. Okay, it's interesting. Like, for example, the songs of your husband. You found them interesting, okay, because it's catching your attention. Now, what about lucky?
Um,
Lucky.
mm,
Do you know it? Lucky.
um,
He's a lucky guy. Lucky means
Teacher, can you wait me minutes?
okay, Mela. Just tell me once you're ready again. Welcome back, Mela.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah,
Okay, is everything okay now?
yeah.
Everything. Okay, thank you, Mela. So now, going back, can you tell me again your idea with the word lucky? What does it mean?
In is not unlucky.
Yeah, when can we say that something or someone is lucky? When can we say someone or something is lucky, Mela? When?
Mm,
Do you know this word in Vietnamese?
yeah.
Okay, so can you try to um speak out your ideas in English, Mila? Just slowly, Mila.
Uh,
Mm-hmm. Lucky is what we call to someone who is bringing good fortune, Mila, and usually it's a result of a chance rather than careful planning or exerting effort, Mila. That is what it means when we say lucky. Okay, just by chance you got something by chance, not really on purpose. Okay, so now what about smart? Smart.
tomorrow. Um, experience is,
When can we say that a person is smart, Mela? She is a smart student. Smart means
uh,
I can hear you, Mela. I can hear you.
um,
Smart means that.
yeah,
Do you think?
tomorrow is, mm, I know it, I can say English.
Okay, so when can you give me an example wherein we can say that a person is smart? An example scenario. If you can't give me the definition, can you give me a scenario, Mila, wherein we can say that a person is smart? Okay, so another term for smart are clever and intelligent, right? Clever and intelligent. Both word means the same thing as smart, Mila, which means that person can quickly absorb ideas. He or she can quickly understand something. That is smart. Okay, now let us try to practice. And in here, you have to tell me which of the items on the list are positive and which are negative. Now, when we say cute, Mila, is it positive or negative?
Uh,
What do you think? Cute. Cute
mm,
is it
is,
positive or negative?
is positive.
Yes, it is positive. Okay, what about useful?
Uh, positive.
Okay, yes, it's positive too. What about beautiful? Beautiful.
Uh, positive.
Dangerous, Mila.
Uh, negative.
Yes, it's negative. What about ugly? Ugly.
Um, is Nega negative.
Yes, it's negative. Interesting, Mila.
Positive.
Okay, positive. Interesting is positive. What about lucky? Lucky.
Uh, Positive.
Okay, yeah, it's positive. And smart is?
Positive.
Okay, yes, it's positive as well. Thank you. Now, let us proceed to the next one. Okay, in here, we will have a dialogue. You will be Leng, and after reading this, Mila, you have to answer the questions. So, I will know if you understand what we read or not. Okay, let us start now. What is your favorite animal, Leng?
Uh, I really like tiger.
Where do they live?
Uh, they live in forest in Asia.
Why do you like tigers?
I think they are beautiful and really interesting.
Is your country famous for any animals?
Uh, yes, I'm from China. My country famous for panda.
Where do they live?
Uh, they live in forests and zoos.
Why are they famous?
Um, because they are cute, but sadly there aren't many eyes.
Okay, there aren't many left. Now, can you tell me, Milo, what is Leng's favorite animal? What is Leng's favorite animal, Milo?
Uh, a panda.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And why does Leng like this animal?
I forgot.
Okay, so now let us have this. So, well, actually, Mila, Leng's favorite animal is or are tigers. Okay, when we say panda, Mila, as stated in here, that is not her favorite animal. It's just a famous animal in her country, which is China. Okay, so China is famous for pandas. Okay, so again, Bella, can you tell me what is Ling's favorite animal? What is Ling's favorite animal, Mila? Mila, are you still there, Mila? Yes, are you sleeping now, Mila? What is going on? I can't hear you. Wait, wait. Oh, you joined using another device. Okay. Hi, Mela. Can you try to speak? Can you try to speak? Let me see if I can hear you now. But I was able to hear you earlier. Why is that? Is your connection okay, Mela, or it's unstable? You are on mute, Mela. Can you unmute yourself? Can you unmute yourself? Wait, let me request. Welcome back, Mela.
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay now. I can hear you now. Okay, so I told you already what is Ling's favorite animal, right? Now, can you tell me what is that again? What is Ling's favorite animal?
Panda.
Is it panda? Not panda, Mila. Not panda. Okay, I told you that your favorite animal is tiger, right?
Yeah.
Okay, can you tell me, can you still recall or remember why does Ling like tiger? Why does she like tigers?
Okay.
Why does she like tigers? It's because they are
Um, I forgot.
okay.
Um,
So, can you tell me now?
they are beautiful and really interesting.
Okay. Can you tell me what animal is Ling's country famous for?
A panda.
Yes, panda. That's correct. Okay. So very good for that, Mela. It's just that you have to pay more attention to the details. Okay. Now let us have exercise 5 matching. Now tell me the correct answer to each question. What is your favorite animal? What is your favorite animal?
Uh, like elephant.
Okay, I like elephants. Okay, now what about 4-2? Why do you like zebras?
Because they are beautiful.
Where do they live?
Uh, uh, they live in desert.
Okay, yes, they live in deserts. Okay, why do you like them?
Uh, they like them because they're cute.
Okay, yes, I like them because they are cute. It's B. Is your country famous for any animals? Is your country famous for any animals?
Uh, my country is famous for elephants
Great job. Okay, it's B. Why are they famous?
uh,
Why are they famous, Mela?
because they are useful looking.
Okay, yes. useful, and lucky. Now let us try filling in the blanks, and here you will be Zach. Okay, let me show you the answer pool, but of course I'll just read it to you. I will not copy it. We have live, are, they, from, they, like, and famous. Okay, so now let us start, Mela. What is your favorite animal, Zach?
Uh, I bear.
What is your answer, Mela?
I like bear.
Where do they live?
Uh, I live in forest and mountain.
Why do you like them?
Uh, because
I think
uh, I think they are beautiful, but they are also dangerous.
is your country famous for any animals?
Uh,
What do you think? Yes, I'm blank. Australia. Australia is blank for kangaroos. What do you think is the answer here?
um,
Yes,
yes,
Mel.
yes, um,
Where are you
mm,
from? I'm.
um, I'm from Australia. Australia uh,
You should answer this
is
question. Is your country famous for any animal? Mhm. I'm from Australia. Australia
is is
Australia is.
is is is. Teacher, 5 minutes.
Okay, so in here, Mela, it's Australia is famous. Okay, Australia is famous for kangaroos. Okay, wait. Your time, Mela.
Um, Australia is country for kangaroo. Okay,
It's
kangaroo.
country?
Yes.
Is it country?
Is
It should be
is
question,
is
right? I'm
con
from Australia is famous, Mela. Famous. Okay, it's famous for kangaroos. Okay, Australia is famous for kangaroos. That is it. Now, where do kangaroos live? Yes, Mela, where do kangaroos live?
is live in desert.
They live in deserts. Okay, because we have here kangaroos, which means that We're not just talking about one kangaroo right here. So, what are they saying? Why are they famous?
Uh,
Why are they famous?
because they are interesting.
Okay, that is it, Mila. Just be more mindful with the questions, Mila. Just like in here, the word that you have to fill in is already in the question itself. Australia is famous for its kangaroo, or I'm from Australia. Okay, so now let us have exercise 7 ordering. Can you tell me your answer for the first one?
What is your favorite animal?
That's correct, Mila. What about for two?
Uh,
I
uh,
I hello, Mila.
I fly.
Okay, I like lions. What about for three? What about three?
Uh, what do they like?
Okay, where do they live? Okay, what about for four, Mela? Four.
Uh, thank you.
They live where?
They live in zoo.
Okay, yes, that's correct. They live in a zoo. So five, Mela.
So why do you like them?
Mm-hmm. What about now?
Um,
Do it, Mela. Go, Mela.
uh, is is
Yes.
country
Is your country
is your country famous for animals?
for any animals? Okay, is your country famous for any animals? Now, what about for seven?
Um, Australia is famous for kangaroo.
Okay, and last one. Eight.
Uh, why are they famous?
Okay, yes, very good, Mila. Now, let us have this one. We have here exercise 8, and it is your turn to ask me these questions.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal are dogs.
Uh, where do they live?
They live, of course, in a doghouse and sometimes in people's homes.
Why do you like them?
Well, I love dogs, Mala, mainly because they are friendly and they're fluffy. For
Uh,
now.
is your country famous for any animal?
Yes, much for what we call the Philippine eagle.
Uh, where do they live?
They live in forests, Mila.
Uh, why are they famous?
They are famous for their big beak and um probably their strong look as well, Mila. Now, let us have exercise 9, and in here it is your turn to answer these questions. What is your favorite animal? What is your favorite animal, Mila?
Favorite animal is panda.
Okay. Where do they live? Where do pandas live? Do
Uh,
you know?
is usually live in China.
Yes, you can see them in China, maybe in forest or zoo. Okay, why do you like pandas? Why do you like pandas?
Because because is um because is same my husband.
Oh, okay, handsome.
Is same my husband.
Oh, what do you mean by same with your husband, Bella? Does he look like your husband, or how do you find your husband? Is he handsome? Do you find him cute? Because pandas, we can say that they are handsome, Bella. They're usually cute. Are they? Do you mean because they are cute, Mela?
Um
Why do you like pandas? Is it because they are interesting, they are smart, they are
because
cute?
because is my husband is same panda. My husband have a act like a panda, sometimes cute, sometimes cool.
Oh, okay. I see. I get it now. Thank you so much. Oh, by the way, Mila, our time is about to end, so you have to join the class link again so we can continue our class, okay? Okay, Mila. Okay.